Okay, guys, I finally got around to finding some time between this and that, and school, and lots of work. Anyway, finally, a real hacking video. Today's topic is passwords. As you can see, I'm on a virtual machine right now. I had this in my last video, how to get a virtual machine. I would suggest you guys get this, especially if you're going to try all this stuff out. Just a reminder that it is illegal to hack other people's passwords. Okay. Another little friendly reminder, passwords are like underwear. You really should change it often. Don't lend it to friends, and don't leave it lying around. Alright, well, how to hack other people's passwords. I'm going to show you 3 methods. The first method, this is all for local computer machines, local passwords, okay? This is not going to include Facebook or MySpace accounts. Well, I can do that. I'll do videos on that later. Right now, this is if you have the computer in front of you. That you want to hack over, like if your family shares a computer, or if you're at school and you want to get into the administrator account of the computer that you're using for class. Anyway, the simplest thing, just to prove to you that I'm on one account and I'm going to show you the one that we're gonna hack. This is called HackMe. As you can see, it's going to ask you for a password, and if I just type anything in there, hit enter, oh, don't know it. Okay, so let's get on this one. Okay, now you go to start. Actually, no, I forget. Windows 7 is ghetto like this. It doesn't have the run right here. You can always hit Windows key R, comes up with run, type in CMD, hit enter. There we go. Now, let's make sure that user you're trying to hack is recognized. So make sure you get it right. The other user's name we're trying to hack right now is hack underscore me. Net user hack me, or whatever, whoever you're going to hack. As you can see, it gives you details on the user. Now you can type in net user hack me, or whoever you're trying to hack, and asterisk, hit enter. It'll ask you for a password. Right now I'm going to just leave it blank. If you type something, it's not going to show up. Like right now I'm hitting the keys, it's not showing up, but it's still recognizing it, so don't think that you got something wrong. Right now I'll just leave it blank. Oh, access is denied. Well, see, when you starting with Vista and Windows 7 continued this, there's this little piece of crap thing called having to run things as administrator. So I think this might work just for if you're trying to hack a guest account, but I made the account we're trying to hack administrator account, which is usually what you run into. So let's pull up the Windows Explorer. Let's go to C, Windows System 32. Let's find the CMD file that we tried before. Okay, now scroll down, there it is. Right click, run as administrator. Yes, I won't allow it. Again, the gayness that is Vista and Windows 7 sometimes. Honestly, XP has been the best thing so far. Okay, so here we can do this. Net user hack underscore me asterisk. Have a password, leave it blank, and we'll leave it blank. Ah, there we go. Command is completed successfully. Now you can exit out of that. exit out of that. Now, let me prove it to you. Start. Switch user. Hack me. Oh, doesn't ask for a password anymore because we made it blank. There you go. Now, second method. And this is my cool desktop, by the way. As you can see, I like Python. Anyway, second method. I'm going to show you this on my real computer. Second method is Cain and Abel. Honestly, there are a bajillion tutorials for Cain and Abel on YouTube, so I'm not going to stress all this too much. You go pull up Cain and Abel, go find it on the internet. Honestly, it's not that hard. Pull up Google, type in Cain and Abel, download. There's this website called oxid.it. Install it. Okay. Go to decoders, network, sniffer, cracker. There we go. Cracker's the one we need. Hit the little plus sign, add to list, import hashes from local system. Next. Let it think for a little while. There it is. That's all the accounts that are on my computer. The one we're trying to hack is Gesto. Okay, so you right click on it. There's 3 different kinds of attack. Dictionary, brute force, cryptanalysis. Dictionary, I'll show you right now. You go to dictionary, NTLM hashes. Okay. You gotta find a dictionary file, dictionary.txt on Google. Google it, dictionary.txt. It's honestly like the first one. There's a Java site that has a very good dictionary file. What a dictionary file is, it's just a text file. Right here. It's the text file that has just a bunch of words. Okay? And what Cain and Abel does is it looks through all those words. Mind you, your dictionary file might look different than mine. Anyway, what Cain and Abel does is it looks through all those words and it tries all of them and it sees which ones work and which ones doesn't. So, here, I forget, you guys are not going to have anything here if you've never done this before, so you right click, add to list. And here is where you search for your dictionary file. I already have one. I named it dictionary.txt.